Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you so much for waiting and not unsubscribing to my channel. I was like, okay, it's been 3 months and I haven't uploaded a single video, but thank you so much for staying and showing this much love, and I'm so grateful for this. Okay, so today is also a book haul. So before getting into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updates of all my new uploads. Let's begin. So in this video, I'm going to unpack the books that I purchased from BookChor.com. So it is also a website that sells pre-loved books plus new books, and they have various categories like good, readable, and new, almost new. They have various categories like that, and you can choose it accordingly, and they have like really good pricing. And disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by bookchor.com. I hope it was, but it isn't sponsored by them. I got all the books from my own money. Without further blabbering, let's get into the video. And I purchased 4 books for 414 rupees, and it's a good deal, right? Talking about the delivery, I ordered on 14th of August and I received it within 3 days, like on 17th of August. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I'm filming this video. Today is 23rd of August, Monday, and it's been like almost a week that I haven't opened it because I just couldn't keep myself like not to open the package. It's been the first time that I've waited for such a long time to film this video because I had my exams going on. So I was like, okay, patience. So it worked. So now the wait is over. Let's unpack it. Okay, so they really have like very good packaging. I can see. Wow. Like, this is really cool. Okay, so first they have this plastic wrap that we always get, and then they have wrapped it with this foam wrapping, or whatever you say it, and it's like really good. Okay, unboxing and unpacking books is always such a great experience. And yeah, okay, so I can see the books. These are the 4 books that I've got. Then next, the good part about purchasing books from these sites is that they give you bookmarks. Okay, I never had a bookmark from Amazon. Like, these are very good bookmarks. I've also got a Harry Potter bookmark. Okay, this one's Harry Potter bookmark, and yeah, Iron Man, and so many. These are very good quality bookmarks. And yeah, these are the 4 books. Let's start with the first one. Like, this is seriously, they have also sent a note like, hello Priya, this is to thank you for making a purchase at bookchor.com. We are glad to have you aboard with us. Welcome. These notes like really make me happy, and I'm going to keep it with me. And the first book is The Vinci Code by Dan Brown. This would be my first book of Dan Brown. I've never read this. Actually, I was supposed to buy The Angels and Demons, which is the first book in the Robert Langdon series, but I don't know why I've got this, but okay, I will read it first. And I've got this for rupees 120 or something like that, and it is from the condition good, and it's like really good condition. Pages are a bit yellow. It has been read before. Okay, the spines have a bit cracks, but it's good. Okay, for the price it is good. This is the book. Yeah, so the next is The Sins of the Father by Jeffrey Archer, and this is the second book in Clifton Chronicle series. I've read the first book 2 years back, and yeah, this is the time now I've finally decided to read the second book in this series. Yeah, and it is also in good condition, but it has a bit of, crack from here, but it's fine. It has been read a lot, but still okay. The bookchor is really famous for keeping their books in very good condition. They take care of their books a lot. This one is also a nice book. yeah, this is the second book, and I also got it for like 120, 140, something like that. Yeah, not much, only that. And this one is like the bestseller, The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. And I have been eyeing this book for such a long time, and finally I decided to buy this. And this is the cheapest book from this lot, and it was for rupees 99 only. And it is really good condition. It has been read though, but in a good condition. Okay. Yeah, the pages are yellow obviously because it's old. Not so old, but yeah, it's very good. And also all these books are original, none of them are pirated, okay, or they sell original books. And this one is Secrets of the Tides by Hannah Richel. And I've never read this book, but I read the blurb and I was like, okay, I'm going to get this. It's a family drama. Yeah, it was for rupees 160. Yeah, it was for rupees 160, and this one is also in a good condition. Yeah, these are the all four books that I've got from them. You can also, I will leave all the links in the description box, and I will also leave the Amazon links of this book in the description box, so yeah, you can check all the real prices of this books. I've got a pretty good deal. Like these four books, these are like a really famous book. At least these two you might have heard. Like these two books you might have really heard about them, and they are really famous, so I'm looking forward to read them. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and really thank you so much for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. That really means a lot, and the comments that I get, I really love them, and that means so much. Keep showing love and keep supporting. I will really try to upload frequently because I was having my exam, so that's why I wasn't able to upload very frequently, but now I will do that. And thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Till then, see you in my next video. Take care and bye.